Some will be lucky. You will see who will be invest and kiss by the sea lion after being invited to a flat parade. But please second, you all are invited to be entertained by our sea lion show. We hope that today will be remembered as one of your happiest days.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the show?
Keep coming. Papa, keep coming.
Ding dong lệ tròn.
He doesn't want to go.